Hi, Victor. I'm going to show you how to float a coin. So normally, you just try and balance it. Oh, fail. One more time. If you think that I can really do it, gently. Oh, gently. Oh. You give up? Don't give up. You can still do it. You know, it's not impossible. You have a paper clip. You have it already, and you just bend it. See, a normal paper clip, you bended it, so it looks like this. Okay, now once you did that, now you can balance your coin on one end. Just try and make one end that is the most straight, the straightest one, and then try and put it down so that the coin can float. I'm not sure which is my straightest end, so just trying it out. See, look, my coin floated. See, this is the only coin that can float, the Indonesian money 100. Okay, thanks for watching and bye.